You don't need knitting needles to make this super chunky beanie. Yeah, I kid you not. All you need are your fingers and your favorite balls of chunky yarn for today's pattern. We're basically knitting a flat panel and sewing it along the side and cinching at the top. It's really easy. Let's start. For the cast on, leave a really long yarn tail, about 30 inches. We will use this to cinch the top of your beanie. Take your yarn and pinch the tail between your thumb and the side of your palm. Weave the yarn over and under your fingers until there are 2 loops on all 4 of your fingers. Just like this. Knit the loops by pulling the innermost loop over the top loop and letting it drop. Keep weaving until you reach 24 inches. You can go longer if your head's bigger than mine. I've only been finger knitting for 2 years. So far, I've been enjoying experimenting with the craft. How long have you been finger knitting? Let's chat in the comments. Once you have 24 inches, it's time to start a new row. To do that, we're going to make what I like to call a semi-cast-off. I use this term because we're only going to cast off 3 stitches and use the 4th stitch to start a new row, if that makes sense. So knit the loop on your middle finger. Now knit the loop on your index finger. Transfer the loop on your index finger to your middle finger and knit. Knit your ring finger. Transfer the loop on your ring finger to your middle finger, then knit. Knit your pinky finger. Transfer the loop on your pinky finger to your middle finger and knit. With the semi-cast-off done, it's time to start the new row of stitches. This one's a bit confusing at first, so we'll take it slow. Transfer the last loop onto your index finger. Weave your yarn over and under your fingers until you have 2 loops on each finger. Take the bottom loop of your index finger and knit. Repeat these steps on all fingers. Now we will connect the new row. The step is important, so don't skip it even if it's a pain in the butt. Find the outermost loop on the previous row and push your index finger through it. Knit the 2 loops. Weave your yarn through your fingers until you have 2 loops on each finger. Knit all loops. Repeat steps 1 to 3 until you reach the edge of your row. Use the semi-cast-off to start a new row. You basically rinse and repeat starting from the semi-cast-off until your project is about 8 inches tall. Your hands probably hurt like heck by now, but don't worry because we're finally casting off. Casting off is pretty much the same as the semi-cast off we did, except we're cutting the yarn at the end. Knit the loop on your pinky finger and move the loop to your ring finger and knit the 2 loops. Leave a yarn tail that's about 15 inches long. Cut and pull it through the loop. We're finally at the end, so let's sew up your beanie. You can use a darning needle like this or just weave the yarn through with your hands. Fold your fabric lengthwise like this. Take the 15-inch yarn tail and weave it in and out of the stitches along the touching sides of your fabric. Make 2 small knots when you reach the end. Weave in the yarn tail to stop it from unraveling. Take the 30-inch long yarn tail and weave it in and out of the stitches on top like this. If you feel like your yarn tail is not long enough, just lightly tug on it to slowly cinch the top as you weave. Once you finish the whole circle, slowly pull on the yarn to cinch the top. Don't pull too hard or you'll snap your yarn. Choose a stitch from the cinched middle and make 2 knots to fully secure your beanie. Weave in the remaining yarn tails. After 84 years, After 84 years, you should have a beanie that looks like this. You can make it in all sizes from newborns, older kids, and even older kids. Now I'm curious what else I can make with finger knitting. Maybe a scarf, mittens, or something bigger? Do I hate myself enough to do that? Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this super easy tutorial. Drop ideas below on what other fun finger knitting patterns we should try next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to a fellow finger knitter. See you next week.